Now, our first most important chart at the moment is stablecoin dominance, because again, if stablecoin dominance is increasing, it means that internal liquidity is leaving tokens and moving into stablecoins. So you can see here when it trends up on the weekly and with weekly bands green, again, these are just my TT bands, that means we're in a bear market. Now, we are following that pattern where the bands have turned green, the weekly structures turn green, and we're testing this range high where in the past, this was deep bear market, okay? That's what's on watch here, because if it heads straight up and keeps heading up, trending up like this, alts and Bitcoin will go much lower. However, we've now created plenty of room from here to even just the bands and even right down here to have a massive counter trend rally. That would be a massive rotation of liquidity into tokens. Okay, so that's what's on watch. So that's what we'll be observing this time. If the weekly turns over meaningfully and the bands flip, okay, that puts more probability into a potential bullish reversal, right? Again, we'll be monitoring price action in Bitcoin specifically at that time and the external liquidity bid in net liquidity. But if we see that it's coming down, it's testing the bands and it's then going to turn back up, that's just our counter trend rally. And when it turns back up, that's capital rotating out of tokens again. And again, that's the signal we'll be looking for to start exiting any counter trend positions that we're in.